Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. So I am uploading this video after a long time. So in this video we will discuss about a very important topic about heterothallism in fungi. So what is the heterothallism phenomenon of fungus? So it is present in your +3 first year syllabus, first year second semester syllabus according to National Education Policy of botany honors. So at first, what is heterothallism in fungi? It refers to the sexual reproduction system or sexual reproduction where compatible mating types resides on different thalli. So basically this type of reproduction require two different thallus or two different mycelia of fungus. This means that sexual reproduction, specifically the formation of zygospore after the fusion or sexual spore, can only occur between two genetically different and compatible mycelia or thalli. So it requires two different fungi for this reproduction. So here these are two strains. So some strain require only one type of mycelia for reproduction, they are known as homothallic, but some require two different types of hyphae of two different mycelia. One is regarded as plus strain, another one is minus strain, and they mate with each other, they fuse with each other to form the zygospore. So some fungus are homothallic, some are heterothallic. So at first this heterothallism phenomenon was discovered by A.F. Blackesley in 1904. He observed that zygospores could develop in some species only when two mycelia of different strain. Generally they are recognized as plus strain and minus strain of different strains, and when they come close to each other they form zygospore. Results of his studies on zygospore formation in mucorales, he found that in some species of rhizopus, zygospores were formed freely, while in other like Rhizopus nigricans, zygospores were formed rarely, because Rhizopus nigricans require two mating types to form zygospore. Okay, next. So in contrast with homothallism, where a single mycelia can produce zygospore, heterothallism require two different strains or two different mycelia for the reproduction. Next, types of heterothallism. One is morphological heterothallism, another one is physiological heterothallism. Morphological heterothallism can be defined as the condition where morphologically different sex organs are produced in two closely associated mycelia. Those two appear different. Okay, they are morphologically different, that means they look different. The two sex organ or gametes are morphologically different, that it is easier to term one as male, another as female. Another one is physiological heterothallism, where the sexual reproduction takes place by two morphologically similar. They look similar but they are physiologically different. So it can be of two types. One is two-allele heterothallism, another one is multiple allele heterothallism. The first one, two-allele heterothallism, means the nuclei of both the mating types are different in genetic characters, represented by capital A and small a located at single same locus of allele of the chromosome. The allele capital A is dominant and represented by plus and minus strain. So basically here two allele control same characteristic features. Okay, the spore bearing in positive allele will produce in positive mycelia, the spore with minus allele will give rise to minus mycelia or negative mycelia. The mycelia of positive and negative are self-sterile. Okay, so plus strain cannot fertilize plus strain, minus strain cannot fertilize minus strain in some species of mucorales. Okay, because they show heterothallism, and heterothallism always require two strain, two opposite strain. Same strain cannot fertilize with each other. Okay, next, multiple allele heterothallism. Here more than two alleles or multiple allele determine the sexual compatibility located at one or two loci. This may be of two types. One is bipolar multiple allele heterothallism. Here heterothallism is controlled by multiple alleles at a single locus. Tetrapolar multiple allele heterothallism is controlled by multiple allele at two loci. Okay, and here are the examples of it. Next, so it is all about the heterothallism. Simply heterothallism means some fungi require two different mycelia of opposite strain for sexual reproduction. They are termed as heterothallic, and that phenomenon is known as heterothallism. But some fungi are homothallic. They can produce two different sex organs in a same thallus or mycelium. Okay, so it is all about heterothallism in fungi. I hope you will get benefit from this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, share with your other friends, and please subscribe to my channel Sunanda's tutorial. Thank you.